What is up, everybody? How are you doing? It is good to see you. Today we have a very special video indeed. As you can see, I am in a completely new room. What is going on? I have recently moved to a brand new flat, so my entire setup was dismantled, put away, and I've had to rebuild it in the new place. But what I have done is spent a lot of time making this into the ultimate stream room. So today's video, what I'm going to do is show you exactly what I did to build all of this amazing setup that you can see here. And honestly, it has taken me 2.5 days to build all of this, and I am so happy with the results. So in the video, I'm going to show you from start to finish what this room looked like, and so you can see the transformation. I hope you enjoy. Let me know what you think, and I will see you again at the end. Okay guys, so welcome. This is the brand new streaming room. This is going to look very different in a few days time, I'm hoping. I am so happy to have this brand new room because I'm actually going to be able to have a room that is dedicated just to the stream setup. So I'm really excited to get all of this put together, and in a few days time we will both see how it turns out. So as you can see, we've already got the chair up and assembled, ready to go. Now this right here is a brand new cube shelving unit that I got myself from IKEA. Now the plan with this is it's either going to sit my console and TV on for when I'm streaming any games off the console, or it's going to go somewhere in the background on the stream. It all depends on what I decide to do when we've finished with the rest of the room. Then over here we have the complete disassembled setup, and it really shows when you take the setup apart just how many pieces it really comes in. So here we got all peripherals, the microphone, the Go XLR of course, which is very important. Here we've got 3 monitors now. This one is brand new. It has not been on the setup at all. So I'm super excited to get the 3 monitor setup going. Then we got the key light, stream deck and the capture card, all very important. There's the mic arm, which actually does need replacing still. I need to get myself a new one of those, but I haven't been able to yet. I'm hoping to find a way to get both of these webcams incorporated into the setup as well. And we got the LA metric time, which I'm looking forward to doing a review video on at some point actually as well. This is a really cool little smart clock. The PC itself is boxed up in here, and we got the PS4 as well for any console gaming. Then for all the lighting, we got the Cola lights and the nano leaf panels, which I'm super excited to get up. I haven't really decided what order to have them in yet, what design, but we can get to that once we finish with the rest of the setup. And we got the headset, mouse pad. These are the keycaps that I actually have on my keyboard, which make them look incredible. They really bring the RGB lighting out in them. And then over here, the keyboard itself and the mouse. This is what I use. And these are actually my old headsets. This is the headset that I used to use when I was streaming, my old wireless Razer Nari. And this is actually a headset that I do still use sometimes when I'm playing games off stream, because this is one of the best wired headsets out there. Then the TV, and here we actually have the smaller panel. Here is the old desk, which I'm hoping to still be able to use somehow in the setup, and then the bigger one behind it is the new desk, which is going to be amazing. That's what's going to hold the triple monitors, so that is going to look a hell of a lot nicer than it did before. And like I say, I'm hoping to get the smaller desk in there somehow, but we'll see how it turns out at the end. Okay, the first job is going to be to put together these cube shelves. Like I mentioned earlier, these are either going to have my TV on top of it for when I'm doing console streaming, or it's going to sit in the background on the stream. I have not decided yet, but we're going to wait and see what it looks like when it's built. So let's get to making it. Well, that wasn't so difficult, was it? So we got the first part of the setup all ready and built, and now the next step will be to move onto the desk. So let's get that built as well. Alright, so as you can see, we have the desk in place. This is basically where I want my setup to be. So next I'm going to put the monitor mount up, get everything mounted on the desk as it can be. Then right next to it we have the cube shelving here with the TV on top. What I'm basically going to try and do is have it so that we've got the stream set up here, and then when I'm playing on the console we'll have this right next to it. Now I'm hoping that the angles will work okay, but we will find that out once it's all in place. So let's get the monitor mount up on the table first, and then we'll see how it looks. Okay, these are the 3 monitors that are going to be going up on the mount in a minute. So first of all we have this one. Now this is a slightly annoying monitor. Because of the fact it's made by Asus, they have decided for whatever reason to not give it a VESA mount like every other monitor. So it can't actually be fitted directly to the mount that I've got. So what we have to do is get this weird looking contraption, which will actually grab hold of the monitor in all 4 corners, rather than mounting it directly to it, which is a bit fiddly and annoying, and it looks a bit strange, but it's the only way of getting it up. I am hoping to replace this monitor at some point, but that is all money dependent, so it will not be happening just yet. Then here we have my AOC 144Hz monitor. This is the monitor that I use for all of my PC gaming and stuff. It is a brilliant looking monitor and I absolutely love it. It has not let me down the entire time that I've had it. And this is my 3rd monitor, which is also AOC, and this one is brand new. It is yet to come out of the box, so once it's up on here, it'll be the first time that I've seen it as well as you guys, so I'm looking forward to seeing what it's going to look like with all 3 monitors on there. So let's get them up. Alright, so now you can see all 3 monitors are now up and mounted, and the PC is back on the desk. So now all we need to do is fit all the other peripherals and everything, get it all set up, and then we can try powering on the PC. Time for the moment of truth. Beautiful. There we go. She's back. She is back. Ah, well, that is the PC setup done. Now all we need to do is add things such as RGB lighting on the walls. So we've got the nano leaf panels and the colo lights still to go up. And I also went out and got myself a load of this acoustic sound paneling. So that is going to eliminate some of the echo in here, which you can hear. I know the microphone on this camera is not very good anyway, but you can tell there's a bit more of an echo in here than there was in my old room, so I'm hoping this will help with it. I'm going to coat that, I think, around sort of this area, and then maybe get some lighting down the other side, maybe some behind me for the stream background. We will see. I haven't really decided, so I'm going to play around with some designs, and then with my fantastic editing we can cut to what it looks like with all of this up. Alrighty, here it is. We are all done. Look at this. So here obviously we got the streaming set up. Now with triple monitors. Got all the sound paneling up. Hopefully that's going to dull a little bit of the echo. It's still a bit echoey in here, but that has definitely improved some of it. We got the new layout of the Nano Leafs. We've actually got these set over here and another set over here, which will be on the stream background. Then we got all of this set up. This desk here is where I'm going to be doing all of my future YouTube videos. So tech review stuff and all sorts. And then we got the TV and the console set up for any console gaming and streaming, which I'm looking forward to a lot. But just in general, this room looks way better than I thought it would. Honestly, I am so happy with the way this has turned out. Really am. And I hope you guys have enjoyed watching me build it all. So there it is, 2.5 days work. And this is what we've ended up with. Well, here we are, all finished. I cannot tell you how happy I am with the way that everything has turned out here. The panels, the lights, the setup, it all just looks so much better than I even expected it to. And I'm really, really happy with the entire room. It looks fantastic. And I hope that you've enjoyed watching the video. It's been a couple of very long days with a lot of hard work in them, but honestly, it has been so worth it. And I really hope that you've enjoyed the video. So thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate the support as always. There will be plenty more videos on the way in this brand new room. So I will catch you guys in the next video. All the love to you. See you later.